Hey, what's up? Welcome back to week 2 of the van build. This week it was a lot of just planning. So there's not a ton of building stuff, but either way, hope you guys enjoy. I just finished the walls, so all the wall insulation is done. And I've just been sitting here all today, like on my laptop here, just sitting on the ground, like visualizing, okay, how am I gonna start with the cabinets? How will that link into these? How I'm gonna put all of the different framing on the wall? And so, yeah, I've just been here for the past couple hours, just planning it all out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start with the kitchen cabinets tomorrow. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm gonna go pick up the materials here at Home Depot today, and then yeah, maybe start tonight. Outside, so it's a riv nut day, and I'm gonna see how to use this thing. This is Sam's tool. Thank you, Sam. Let's give it our test. I think I hold this. Oh. Yeah, honestly, that makes sense. Just crumples that zone in the middle. I'm gonna put a little bit of thread locker on there. Permanent. This ain't never coming out. Don't know about that. Measured this, and that fit in the very first time. It's one sexy curve that no one will ever see because it'll always be covered up. One thing that's taking so much time is I'm putting my bikes in here and being like, okay, does it fit if this is 1 inch here versus 1 inch here? And just trying to keep things as tight as possible to maximize my space, but it's kind of tough to plan it all out at this point, but I think I just gotta start building at some point. So just put it together and hopefully it works.